Alright, I don't know if this is going to do it any justice, but I got a little distracted and wasn't working on the mini bike, but we got the garage upgraded. This corner's not dark anymore. Now it's really bright. We got this 4-foot light bar right here, and we also got this one that's up of here for my dad's toolbox and his big shelf and everything. So now, in this corner, for when we do our time lapses and everything, it's not gonna be super dark. The dark corner's like over there now. Not really at all. It makes me somewhat want to put lights like right here for when we're having fires or barbecues or whatever right here. But this will be good for YouTube. So yeah, let's keep crack-a-lacking on that in the morning. What's up guys, Devin of Adventure Hobby Passion, back today doing another video. I started off a little weird. I did the little update of the shop update, where I wasn't working on the mini bike, took a little bit of a break, got the shop lighting upgrade, freaking huge done. So happy with the progress of that. So now we're doing an oil change and getting some final prepping done on Tanner's bike to get it through and through done, doing all the perfect things on it to make it just grand and fantastic for him. We didn't film everything. We had a couple problems in it, so I didn't quite film everything, but this is all the film that I have of the video. And at the end of the video, you'll see a couple seconds of me working and doing a little bit of maintenance on the Blue Mini bike. I just did carburetor clean and check the valves. Not too much. Hopefully you enjoy this short little video. Also, huge reminder for you guys, Christmas special next week. It's going to be way different than the last 2 years. It's actually going to be a couple different scenes, couple different videos. And we got to we're going to be throwing in some other topics and other things in the Christmas special to start off some new kind of content for my channel. Alright guys, we're editing this video, getting it all done up for you guys. It was really short, but we gotta make some time for the freaking epic Christmas video, Christmas special next week. So hopefully you enjoyed. Stay tuned for more content coming soon. A lot crazier content. Hopefully you like it. Let me know, especially on the Christmas video, freaking comment. But yeah, hopefully you enjoyed today's video. Like, comment, share, subscribe. But biggest thing of my channel, go out and go find your passions.